Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have products to use by Stylevana for May. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so May's products by Stylevana just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys do not know, Stylevana is not a subscription box or a subscription service. They are literally your one-stop shopping for all that you would need K-beauty and J-beauty related. You can shop knowing that you're going to get guaranteed authentic products from them, super fast shipping, and I have my own code INF10 SheCrafty, which will get you anywhere from 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout. They even have a really low threshold for free shipping. So if you'd like to check them out, everything will be linked down below. Now they do have their own Vana boxes from time to time. And then they have already curated boxes that are from the Vana family line that are on their site. If you would like to check out any of those, you can go to their search bar and type in Vana box. You can see what Vana boxes they have at the time. Go back, change box to family, Vana family in the search. And then you'll see like 2 pages of all different curated boxes that are all readily available, like a whole skincare regimen at a discounted rate. So you can definitely check out all of the curated boxes or all of the individual items that they have. Again, everything you would need K-beauty and J-beauty related for skincare, makeup. They have a little bit of literally everything. You can even search if you have a specific brand that you like or you want to look at. You can even search by the brand name. So you can definitely navigate through their website very easily. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see which products they sent me to use for May. I'm so excited because, again, if they're products that I do know, brands I do know, or anything like that, I get to try out different stuff from that line. So I'm always so excited to see what's in here. They do, again, have fast shipping, but they also take so much pride in how they do ship their products. Nothing has came broken, damaged, or anything like that. Okay, so let's start off by this right here, and this is a face soothing mask, and I absolutely love the sheet masks. I don't like putting stuff on my face that I have to wash off. These I love to put in my refrigerator, pull it out, put it on, it's nice and cold and so soothing. 10 to 15 minutes later, pull it off, tap in any essence, and you are good to go. So I love a good sheet mask, and this is the one that is in here. Again, it's for soothing, and I'm super, super excited to test that out. I love a sheet mask. Next we have is a toner, and this is the Super Glow Essence. Let's get this one opened. Ooh, it's like a peachy orangish kind of color bottle that's super cute. And this is a toner. So after you are cleansed, I double cleanse my face. And then after I get out of the shower, the toner is the first thing that I put on my face. You can use a cotton round, you can use a cotton pad, or you can simply just put it in your hand and just dab it in your face. And that's what I've been doing. So I'm not reusing anything to wash or throwing anything away. I'm just dabbing it in my hand, just in my hands that are nice and clean, and just patting it in my face. So that's what I've been doing with my toners, and I really, really love a good toner. So I can't wait to try that out. So then up next we have from the same brand, this is the Pore and Makeup Cleansing Balm with green tea and charcoal. So again, I said I do a double cleanse. This is the first part of that double cleanse. I always use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. One of the two. I prefer the balm just because I don't really care for oil or oily type products. It's just in my head. It's just something with me. But I do use them. I just prefer the balm over the oil. But these literally take off all of your makeup, and then when I get in the shower, I use an actual cleanser just to cleanse my face. That's my second part of the double cleanse, and then I'm completely done. So here's what this one looks like. I like that pretty green. There's even a leaf on top, and it has a pull top lid here. You do have a little spoon that you can use to pull it out, and the balm itself, if I can remove, do I have to unscrew it to remove that? Yes. Unscrew the lid. Then you can remove the top, We'll put the lid back down. Okay, now I have never had a cleansing balm that is that color, so that is going to be interesting. It's normally like a white, but that would be the green tea and the charcoal, I bet, because it does say with green tea and charcoal. So let me see if it says anything on here, if it's the normal like cleansing balm. Directions, how to use. Use dry hands to spread evenly into the dry face. Gently massage in circular motions using your fingertips, focusing on areas with makeup, blackheads, and pore concerns. Add little drops of water to emulsify the oil and massage again. Rinse well with lukewarm water. So I'm super excited to try that out. Again, I'm really intrigued by that color of it. So yeah, and I like the packaging. I really like that leaf on top. Just a little touch. I like that. So we have the cleansing balm. Now we have is Cotton Soft Sun Stick, SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus. And I always tell you guys how much I'm all about protecting our sun from the sun. It's protecting our sun from the sun, protecting our skin from the sun. Yeah, there you go, Tracy. It's a cute little container. It looks kind of like a deodorant. You just twist the top, use it as you want to. I like the sticks because then you can kind of just put it on. You don't have to touch anything, especially if you're doing just like your face and your arms quickly. This is a great little touch to do. And I like to keep these like in my gardening bag, stuff outside, because I'm always outside doing things in the garden, and then like I'll forget and I'm like, I get burned. So I try to remember to always put some type of a sunscreen on, because I definitely want to protect this the skin over here. So you have this sunscreen, and then we have, this one says it's a instant cooling and relief for puffy eyes. It's hydrogel eye masks. There's 60 pieces, so there's 30 pairs. And that is what that is. So then on here it says how to use. Cleansing, toner, apply the patch. 10 to 15 minutes, remove. Super easy. So after cleansing and toning, put these on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, pull them off under your eyes, and you are good to go. Let's see what they look like. The packaging is cute with that bright purple. And then down inside, it looks like this. And then when we remove the seal, they're pretty, kind of like a periwinkle color in there. That is so pretty. So you have 60, 30 on one side, 30 on the other. So you have 30 pairs for your eyes. That's amazing to get this whole set, not just like for one or two. There is a little scooper outer you can use in here to pull them out if you would like. So there's that. Now we have this oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion. I'm all for moisturizer. This one here says, directions, take a proper amount of lotion on palm and gently pat into your face for absorption. So it's a moisturizer for your face. Let's get this one opened. And then we got one more product left. This is really nice products. Like, I love when they send stuff like this because it's really like a whole skincare regimen, and I love using new products. That's a nice thick plastic bottle. And yeah, so it's a nice little lotion. That's awesome. Let's see what it looks like. Let's get it started. There's that. It is like a nice gel kind of like formula. Oh, that feels amazing. I can't wait to put that on my face. Yes, tonight after cleansing and toning, I will definitely put some moisture on my face, and I'm so excited to use that because that feels amazing. Okay, so one more product, you guys. This is More Than Lip Balm. All right, what else do you do? It says directions, apply balm to dry lips as needed throughout the day. Very easy. And let's get this one out of its box. So that's what it looks like out of the packaging. And there's that. I don't smell anything, but it feels really, really nice and nourishing on my lips. So that is awesome. So that is everything that they sent for me to use for May. We have this lip balm. It feels really, really good. We have these eye patches that you can use 30 different times. You have a face moisturizer. We have a sunscreen in a stick form, which is super convenient. You have the cleansing balm and then the toner. All right, you guys. So now that is everything to use for May. I am absolutely loving all of these products that they sent. I just love Stylevana in general because they have so many amazing products. And don't forget, if you want to check them out, INF10 SheCrafty will get you that 10 to 15% off depending on what is all accumulated in your cart at checkout. But you can definitely check them out. You can find them all down below. And yeah, so now that is everything for this particular video. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of the products that they sent? What do you think of Stylevana? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew,